Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling one of the most important and misunderstood questions out there. How do you actually build wealth when you don't have a six-figure salary? Maybe you're making $45,000, $60,000, or $75,000 a year. You pay your bills, you live your life, but the idea of building real, lasting wealth feels impossible. Like it's a game reserved for tech founders, surgeons, and people who win the lottery. What if I told you the cornerstone of wealth building isn't how much you make, but what you do with what you have? That becoming a millionaire on an average income is a slow, steady, and completely achievable marathon. My name is Blessing Ibrahim. I'm a multi-talented freelancer, entrepreneur, YouTuber, and career coach dedicated to helping individuals build profitable skills and purposeful careers. With a strong passion for personal and financial growth, I love to empower young people and professionals to navigate freelancing, entrepreneurship, and career development with clarity and confidence. Through practical guidance, real-world insights, and engaging content, I will continue to inspire others to take control of their income, career paths, and long-term success. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is a step-by-step playbook. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to start building wealth from right where you are. Let's get started. First, we need to demolish three big myths. Myth 1, I need a huge income to start. Wealth isn't about the size of your income. It's about the size of your gap, your income minus your spending. A person making $200,000 who spends $199,000 is poorer than someone making $70,000 who spends $55,000. Our entire focus is on maximizing that gap. Myth 2. I need to be a financial expert. You don't. You need to understand a few fundamental principles and have the discipline to follow them. Complexity is the enemy of execution. Myth 3. It's all about luck or extreme frugality. Luck plays a role in getting ultra wealthy, but becoming independently secure is a process. And it's not about depriving yourself of every joy. It's about conscious spending, spending lavishly on the things you truly love and cutting mercilessly on the things you don't. The core mindset, you are the CEO of your life, Inc. You have an income, you have expenses. Your goal is to generate a profit and reinvest it into assets that will work for you. You are both the employee and the investor. You can't build a house without a foundation. Your foundation is knowing exactly where your money goes. I'm not talking about a restrictive, guilt-ridden budget. I'm talking about a spending plan. Step 1, the tracking audit. For 1 month, track every single dollar. Use an app like Mint or Rocket Money, or just use a Notes app. You'll have shocking revelations. I spend how much on takeout? Step 2, the 50-30-20 framework. This is a classic guideline, but let's adapt it for wealth building. 50% for needs: housing, utilities, groceries, basic transportation, minimum debt payments. If this is over 60%, you need to either increase income or reduce core costs. 30% for wants: dining out, hobbies, vacations, shopping. This is your area of control. 20% for wealth building. This is non-negotiable. This goes straight to savings, debt payoff above minimums, and investing. Our entire strategy revolves around protecting and growing this 20%. Step 3, pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, automate that 20% to go to a separate savings or investment account. You build your life on what's left. This is the single most powerful habit. Be honest with yourself. Where can you find an extra 5%? Can you cut unused subscriptions? Cook one more meal at home? That $5 daily latte is $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year that could be starting its investing journey. High interest debt, especially credit card debt, is an anchor tied to your wealth ship. You must cut it loose. The strategy: 1. List your debts from smallest balance to largest, or from highest interest rate to lowest. The snowball gives you quick psychological wins. The avalanche saves more money. 2. Attack one debt at a time. Make minimum payments on all others. Throw every extra dollar from your wealth building 20% at that target debt. 3. Celebrate when you pay one off, then roll that entire payment amount to the next debt. This creates a snowball effect. Stop using credit cards for things you can't pay off this month. Full stop. Use debit or cash. You cannot invest your way to a 20% return reliably, but paying off a 20% APR credit card is a guaranteed 20% return on your money. That's the best investment you can make. Once you have a budget and are tackling debt, it's time to build your wealth machine. Think of this as a three-layer fortress. Layer 1, the emergency mode. Before serious investing, save $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. Then build it to 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This is in a boring, easy access, high yield savings account. This fund prevents life's surprises from becoming new debt. Layer 2, the retirement castle walls. This is your long-term tax advantage fortress. Your 401, especially if there's a company match. This is free money. Contribute at least enough to get the full match. It's an instant 100% return. Open a Roth IRA. You contribute money you've already paid taxes on, and it grows tax-free forever. For the average income earner, this is a gold mine. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000. What to invest in? Keep it simple. Low-cost broad market index funds or ETFs. Think VTI or VOO. These give you instant diversification and historically return about 7 to 10% per year on average. Set up automatic contributions and forget it. This is the magic of compound interest. Investing $500 a month at an 8% average return becomes over $450,000 in 25 years. Layer 3, the growth kingdom. Once you max out your tax-advantaged options, you can invest in a regular brokerage account with the same simple index fund strategy. Remember, we want to maximize the gap. Growing your income supercharges everything. Become indispensable at your current job. Master your role, then learn the roles around you. Volunteer for projects. The goal is to position yourself for the next promotion or raise. Document your achievements. Develop a high-income skill. On nights and weekends, learn something marketable. Digital marketing, copywriting, data analysis, coding basics, project management. Use free or low-cost resources like Coursera, YouTube, or LinkedIn Learning. Explore the side hustle strategically. Don't just drive for a rideshare app. Think about a side hustle that could scale or build a skill. Freelance work, tutoring, creating digital products. Even an extra $300 a month invested is a game changer over time. This is where most people fail. They start, then get impatient. Ignore the noise. The market will crash, it will soar. Don't try to time it. Consistently investing every month, no matter what, is called dollar cost averaging, and it's your best friend. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise or pay off a debt, immediately allocate at least 50% of that new cash flow to your wealth building goals. Let your lifestyle creep up slowly, not wildly. Review annually, not daily. Check your budget monthly, but don't obsess over daily portfolio swings. Do a full financial review once a year. One, shift your mindset. You are the CEO. 2. Master your cash flow with a spending plan. Pay yourself first. 3. Slay high interest debt with focus and intensity. 4. Build your three-layer fortress. Emergency fund, tax advantage retirement accounts, then taxable accounts. 5. Grow your income strategically. 6. Stay the course with relentless consistency. Building wealth on an average income isn't a mystery. It's a math problem and a test of behavior. It's about making hundreds of small right decisions over years. Your action steps for today. 1. Open a note on your phone and track your spending for the next 24 hours. 2. Check if you're getting your full 401 match. If not, increase your contribution by 1% right now. 3. Calculate your total high interest debt. Stare at the number. That's your first enemy. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen. You have the power to build a future of security and freedom, starting with your very next paycheck. If this video helped, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell for more no-nonsense guides to mastering your money. In the comments, tell me, what's one financial habit you're committing to this month? Let's hold each other accountable. Thanks for watching. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. See you in the next one.